Afue. Annual fuel utilization efficiency. Indicated as a percentage, your furnace's Afue tells you how much energy is being converted to heat. For example, an Afue of 90 means that 90% of the fuel is being used to warm your home, while the other 10% escapes as exhaust with the combustion gases. Energy Guide. It's a standardized way of relaying how much energy an appliance uses, and it can be a powerful tool to help you shop. Keep your home comfortably warm with carrier furnaces. Carrier furnaces are highly efficient. The higher the Afue rating, the greater the efficiency.